Okay, now I'm going to explain about surface area of cylinder. As we have discussed in the first meeting of this chapter, if we want to find the total surface area, we just need to find the surface area of all faces of the net. It means we just need to consider the net. So we will use that concept to find the surface area of cylinder. So now if we have this cylinder, let's just try to figure out the net of the cylinder. Let's just say this is the net here. Let's just say this is the same circle, the same shape and size. So if this is the net of this circle, of course this is identical the same, so that we have two circles here and one rectangle. So if we just say this is the first, the second and the third, it means that the total surface area is the first plus the second plus the third, right? Where the first and the second are just identical the same, where here we can see that it is circle. If given information, this is r and this is height, it means we can see it clearly that this is r, this is also r, and this is the height of the cylinder, right? So we already have all the information here to find the area of circle. So we can just write, because this is just the same, 2 times area of circle pi r square, plus, what about this rectangle? What is the surface area of this rectangle? We knew the breadth here, but we don't know what is the length here. What is the length of this rectangle? We can just try to, let's just consider this is the rectangle here. If we form it like this, it will be back to the first shape, right? The first condition. So it means that this is the height. This is the height here. And then if we form the cylinder here, we will have that, because we want to find what is this, right? Here we can see that. We can see that it will become the base of the cylinder, right? So if we want to find what's the length of this, it is just equals to what? It is just the same with the circumference. The circumference of cylinder is 2 pi r or pi d. It means that the length of this circumference will be equal to the length of this rectangle, right? It is just the same, because the length will not change, because it is just the same line. So we knew that it is equals to 2 pi r times, because this is 2 pi r times 2 pi r times height, right? Times height. So here, using algebra, we have 2 pi r here, so it is equals to 2 pi r. If you want to simplify it, actually you can just use 2 pi r times r times r plus h. You can use, let's just say total surface area is TSA. You can use one of this. That's it. Let's just take a simple example. here a closed cylinder has a base radius of 10 centimeter and a height of 24 centimeter. Find the total surface area of that cylinder. Find the total surface area of that cylinder. Okay, now let's see the solution here. So because here we already have all the given information to find the total surface area, right? So let's see, this is closed figure. It means we have the base and the upper part. So we have the SA equals to, let's just use this, 2 pi r times r plus height. So it is, let's just substitute all. Pi, the radius is 10 centimeter times radius plus height is, the height is 24 here, so it is equals to 680 pi centimeter cube. It is in terms of pi, or it is equals to 2140 centimeter cube. It is to 3 centimeter square, yeah, because this is surface area. Centimeter square to 3 significant figure. So this is the final answer.